Hey there, fact fanatics! Welcome to another Curious Kidcast Fact Bomb, where we make your brain do backflips. Today, we've got 8 absolutely bonkers facts that'll make you say, "No way," at least 3 times, so smash that like button and let's dive into the weirdness. Number 8. Butterflies taste with their feet. Imagine stepping on your lunch to see if it's yummy. That's what butterflies do every single day. They have taste sensors on their feet, so when they land on a flower, they instantly know if it's delicious. No forks, no spoons, just fancy foot tasting. Number 7. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Scientists really nailed this one. A bunch of pink, fabulous birds standing on one leg? Yeah, that's definitely a flamboyance. Other boring animals get groups called herds or flocks, but flamingos? They get to be flamboyant. Number 6. Your stomach gets a new lining every few days. Your stomach acid is so strong it can dissolve metal. So how does your stomach not digest itself? Plot twist. It kind of does. Your stomach grows a completely new lining every 3 to 4 days. It's basically redecorating constantly. Number 5. A baby panda is smaller than a mouse. When giant pandas are born, they're absolutely tiny, about the size of a stick of butter. A newborn panda weighs only about 4 ounces, which is smaller than most pet mice. But don't worry, they grow up to be those chunky, bamboo-munching giants we all love. Number 4. A sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour. Chew! That little sneeze you just did, it blasted out of your nose at highway speeds. Your sneeze can zoom through the air at 100 miles per hour, sending thousands of tiny droplets flying up to 30 feet away. You're basically a human sneeze cannon. Number 3. A cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. Clouds look all fluffy and light, floating around without a care in the world. But a typical cumulus cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds. That's like 100 elephants just chilling in the sky. How are they even floating? Science is crazy! Number 2. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep. Stop everything. This is the cutest fact ever. Sea otters hold hands with their buddies while they sleep, so they don't drift apart in the ocean. They literally form otter rafts of cuteness. I'm not crying, you're crying! Number 1. You can't hum while holding your nose. Okay, I know you just tried it. Everyone does. When you hum, the sound actually comes out of your nose, not your mouth. So if you plug your nose, the sound has nowhere to go. Don't worry, I tried it too while writing this. And there you have it, 8 facts that just scrambled your brain like eggs. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you learned something new today, check out our longer Curious Kidcast podcast episodes and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another mind-blowing video. Until next time, keep being curious, and I'll see you in the next one.